How to clean a cordless Hoover vacuum. Start by detaching a few parts. First one is the floor nozzle. Next would be the dirt cup. Now I prepared the dirt cup to rinse by removing the filter and detaching smaller parts, also removing the brush from the floor nozzle. You'll need to unlock the brush from the nozzle by using something round. I found a keychain that is rounded enough to unlock and remove the brush. Once I remove the brush, I now cut off any twined hair or fibers stuck onto the bristles. Here I just wipe off any loose hairs and remove dust from the floor nozzle. Now I wash off all the dirt from the filter, the brush, and the dirt cup. I typically maintain and clean all the vacuums on a monthly schedule. Now that the parts have been thoroughly rinsed and dry, I can go ahead and assemble the vacuum. I thank you for watching Peachy Cleaning. For all your tricks and tips on cleaning, I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share on social media, and hit that like button. And remember, stay clean, stay connected, and stay kind.